The 808 HEX TLS Speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the HEX TLS Speaker by 808 Audio. You can pick this up online for around $50 and it comes in blue and gray. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. This is the blue version. Inside, it comes with the user guide and product info and the micro USB cable for charging. This is the HEX TLS Bluetooth speaker. Some of the features are that it has 8 hours of playtime, dual speaker system, an aux input, and an EQ bass boost. The speaker feels well built. The finish is done well and has an industrial look to it. The body is made of an anodized aluminum. On the bottom, you have the 808 branding. Towards the top, you have the LED indicator for power. Here you have the power button, the bass boost, and your playback controls. On the back, you have the aux input, charging LED indicator, and the micro USB port for charging. You can see the two speaker design in the front. The top and bottom have a rubberized finish to provide some protection. Let's do some audio samples to see how the speaker sounds. The 808 Audio HEX TLS. There are many speakers in this price point, but this speaker certainly can hold its own. This is good for a small size room or taking on the go. It has deep bass and gets pretty loud. If you're in the market for a speaker that provides decent bass and audio, check out the 808 HEX TLS. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.